If you're to the point in your target language where you just really want to sound much more like a native and sound more fluid and conversational, you want to sound more natural, then what you might be looking for at this point isn't necessarily more practice. You might be looking for the idioms and interjections in your target language, and more specifically in your target culture. Think about all the colloquialisms, the things that you say in your country, the things that you say in your region. Now understand that other countries, other cultures are going to be just as, if not more so, separated in that manner. So if you're learning German, for example, the sayings that they have in Germany will be different in Austria. And even further to the point, the sayings that they have in Frankfurt will be different than what they have in Berlin or Hamburg. And it's not just German, of course. Pick any language in the world, and if it's spoken in more than just one city, you're going to find some split there. And honestly, even in a city, you can find some splits. But not to hang on the point too much, idioms and interjections will help you sound more natural, and they may have that conversational little spark that maybe you're looking for at this point in your language journey. I hope that made sense. Leave a question and a comment if it didn't. Like this video if you liked it. Check out my books on Amazon. Subscribe if you want stuff like this, and I hope I will see you in the next one.